Good morning. Today's Tuesday, February 25th, 2025. I'm here at Dodgers Lake Marina. This is Elsie, Fern. I just wanted to point out your water line. It's supposed easily has taken me about 2 hours, and about an hour and a half of it's definitely been on your water line. This right here, it's really hard for me to just scrub this, so I do have to get my 5-in-1 out at it. And this is what it's going to look like. I'm definitely going to clean this up, but I want to bring this to your attention. The water line is shot. The paint all around definitely needs to be replaced. But cleaning this, I mean, we're still in the dead of winter, and this has taken a lot of time just to clean up. I know it's going to take a lot longer in the summer, and it could be more costly for you guys. Just letting you guys know, this is taking a while. I'm going to clean this up and then get an after video.